Good morning from the family house of Amantani Island. It looks so surreal. All I could hear is the sound of the birds. So today is day 2 of our trip in Titicaca Lake, and we are heading towards the third island. It is 7:30 in the morning. The family has come to see us off. Buenos dias, ciao, adios, adios. So after an hour of boat ride, we are at Taquile Island, and it's not tequila, it's Taquile. This island follows the 3 principles: not lie, do not steal, and do not be lazy. These are the things that they follow. They help each other in building the houses and doing stuff. So some of the interesting facts about this island is that it is away from the modern life. No refrigerator, no electricity, no television, nothing. Until 1992 there were no tourists, so people from nearby islands, they used to do barter system, exchange fishes with vegetables and fruits and such stuff. On the Taquile Island there are a lot of vegetation of green peas, you can see. This here is the city center of the island. This is the Knitting Woman Textile Exposition, and their knitting work, the handicrafts, they are recognized by UNESCO itself as a heritage. So you can say that this knitting work, their handicraft, it is very unique stuff. And at the age of 17 to 18, boys and girls, they should start knitting. If no knitting, then no boyfriend, no girlfriend, no marriage.
If you don't dance, no work for you.
So he is making natural shampoo with some cactus plants. Out of cactus plant he's making shampoo. Now he's filtering it. Now water boil.
You can touch, smile.
So here we have a gentle lady from UK using the natural shampoo.
Okay.
So this is dirty and this is the washed wool from sheep. Amazing. Look at the difference.
In this Taquile Island, who is maximum authority represents? There's who is occupation the boss and authorities. Black hat, this beanie. Okay, this we call chuspa, the boss and authorities. How many families totally on this Taquile Island? 702 families. Totally 2,000 people on these Taquile Islands. She represents married women's. Okay, married women's here. Black scar. Small Pompon, she is married women. She is señorita, single ladies, okay, different colored skirts, big pompon. So for example, this house, the family, these communities, they come in, the neighbor, the local people, they help to make in the building and the construction the homestay. Okay, today for me, tomorrow for you, or for you, and next month building and the construction or
Okay.
house.
Of the
For
house.
me today, tomorrow for you. The heads. Don't steal no rows on this Taquile Island. It's Incas custom in here.
So this is the quinoa soup that you get. After an amazing lunch of trout fish, we are heading back to Puno, and today evening we'll be taking a bus to go to Nazca. On this island, only the locals are allowed to stay, and no hotels, no room service, nothing. So you cannot stay on this island. Bye bye Tequila Island. And with this, I end the trip of Titicaca Lake. See you guys on the next video. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.